Don't go chasing waterfalls. Oh, it's in my boot! My turn. I didn't think I was. No! I'm purple. Wait, Megan is like not knowing what she's doing.
Yes, I am! Shut the hell up! Walk with it.
Get us all walking into the elevator.
Oh, there's snow in my boot!
We're all gonna get pneumonia tomorrow. I'll say, okay. What? I already said. If at any time you feel the chains in a chain. Oh my My mouth is like open. Ready? And blow kiss. Let's take off our vests. What? Let's take off our vests.
Oh my god, boobs. But I think you're moving.
Lauren! Oh my gosh.
She asked me to.
No.
That was... Do you know the words? This is good. Wow.
No, tape and
go chase.
So good.
Okay, parking meter's waiting.
Pretty Precious has a natural obsession for temptation that he just can't see.
Go.
Go.
I can't hear the music.
It doesn't matter, just go.
I know, but I feel like I'm gonna be like a beat. Okay.
Go. You look just drunk. Don't go chasing.
Can you see us if we jump? Jump. My turn. Oh, this is good. Lean to your side now.
Look it! What I'm doing!
Come this way, Michelle. Come this way. No, Michelle, come back here. Let's all walk.
I'm holding Megan. I'm holding her in my hand right now.
I just think my eyes huge.
Sorry. That will be funny.
That's all you guys. Like, I've been around so much and I just kind of don't care. Like, it's like, you know what I mean? Like, you just like say it how you think. Meg, you don't have a do-rag on, girl. I know, I took it off. Who cares? Meg, no, we need to find you like a headgear. Yeah, there's a red one in the bathroom. There is? Megan, put this one on. Bouncing right next to you. Okay, back up. Don't do it yet. 3, 4. One, 3, and 4. Lock out the door. Keep going.
Keep going.
Let's go.
Dorks.
You what?
Dorks.
I know. That's good.
What did you just say?
Who me? Hands, and no hands. Oh. It just looked like you looked. We don't even see that. It doesn't even matter. There, that got it.
I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come.
Don't go wasting waterfalls.
I don't think you can do that with this right now.
Oh, I think you can.
I don't know how.
Oh, look at that.